Welcome to Incredible Lab channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to show dual clock in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just tap on widgets. After that find clock option. That's it. Then just tap on this arrow icon. Now here you can see so many clock widgets. You have to find dual clock widgets. That's it. If you want to add this dual clock widget to your home screen, just touch and hold it and drag and drop it to the home screen. And it's done. You can see dual clock has been added successfully on the home screen. Now if you want to change your dual clock location, just tap here, then tap on OK. Make sure that your Wi-Fi and location is turned on, and then select any city. If I select New York, then tap on change, and it's done. You can see your second location has been changed successfully. Now if you touch and hold it and then tap on settings option, now from here you can customize your dual clock. From here you can change your first city, and from here you can change your second city. Also from here you can enable or disable day and night colors. If I disable it, then you can change your dual clock background. You can choose white or black color, but I suggest you to enable day and night colors. Then just tap on save, and it's done. And that is how you can show dual clock in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.